Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below and get more interesting recipes. Today we're gonna make a radish kimchi. Kimchi is very essential to Koreans. It is served on every meal that we have. So if you're ready, let's get started. Wash the 1600 grams of white radish in the running water and remove the stems and root of it. Cut them vertically. And dice the white radish up. Cut them into a bite. Put them in a bowl and put half a cup of salt. Mix them using hands. Put half liters of Sprite. Mix them using hands. The reason why I put a Sprite inside a chopped radish is to make them pickle fast and give them a sweet flavor. Leave this for 30 minutes. Strain them and leave this for 15 minutes to remove any water inside. Peel up the skins of ginger and grind them using a grinder. Also, peel up the skins of Asian pear and cut them into a bite. Put them in a food processor with quarter cups of water. And this way, you can grind them better. Afterwards, put them on a cotton and squeeze them using hands. Put a pickled radish in a bowl. Put 8 spoons of chili powder. Mix them using hands. Remember that when you make a radish kimchi, you have to make a red color before seasoning them. Put 4 spoons of ground garlic. Put 1 spoon of ground ginger. Put 1/3 cup of salted shrimp. Put 4 sliced spring onion. Mix them using hands. When they're almost done, put a pear juice inside and mix them all together. Put them in a big container, which is big enough to hold the food inside. Leave them for 3 to 4 days in a room temperature. Give them a time for fermentation and put them in a fridge again. This is so good with ramen and any kinds of soup. Try making this at your home and share this with your family and friends. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!